So imagine we have January, February, March till December. Now, putting those in a column chart, we'll have it slanted. Do you understand? Now we want to abbreviate them. So January should be JAN, February to be what? FEB. Now we can use replace value. But the upside about that is that we have to do it one by one. But there's an easier way to just do it at the same time. So let's watch. Now, you click on the column you want to abbreviate first. Then you go to what? Extract. Go to your home. Add column, sorry. Extract is here. You click on extract. Now we have first character, last character. Now, we want to extract what? The first three characters from what? The first characters. So I'm going to click this. Now, enter how many starting characters to what? Keep. What how many? 3. So I write what? 3 and press what? OK. Now we have it here. Are we seeing it? Everything has been what? Abbreviated. Do you understand? One more time. Yes, if you want from the ending, you do first last character, maybe from the back, from the front, anyone you want. Again, let me remove this step. You click on the column you want to what? Abbreviate. Next, you go to your add column because you want to add another what? Column. From there, you go to what? Extract. You click on what? First characters. Now, you state how many characters you want to extract and want to extract how many? 3. And you click on what? OK. And you have this. Yes. You do that, you will now go back again to the data and refresh every